Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kia Tatiana here. And today, as you can see by the title, I am going to help you in this crisis pandemic time of life where we are all looking for another source of income while we can stay productive in our homes and build generational wealth. So if you enjoy videos as such, and if you're interested into knowing how you can build an online profitable business, keep on watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and comment stuck out to you from this video. So keep on watching this video and let's get started. First step of establishing a business is creating a business structure. You want to find out what it is that you are passionate about. You never want to go into business with something that you are not passionate about or something that it's only for the money. It's going to show in your customer service ethic, but also in your business ethic. So you want to make sure that this is something that you're passionate about and also something that can help solve a problem. Why, you may ask? Businesses are usually designed to solve problems. People buy something that they're looking for or something that they need help with. So if you can't necessarily help them or serve them in this case, there's no need for us to do a business interaction. So with my business, She Favors, an online clothing boutique. So my business, She Favors, is ultimately a clothing boutique that's here to serve women that's looking to find fashion and modesty in the same area. Usually, fashion and modesty is looked as two separate components in the fashion field or the designer field, usually because modesty is looked as more older, more contemporary. With that, I'm here to solve a problem gap between modesty and fashion so that there will be an equal alignment in how I can express style, personality, and fashion while still pursuing a modest attire. So the next tip I will give is choose a name. So when looking at names, when deciding a name that you would like to use, you usually go over your business structure again. So you can either choose a name that's more personal to you, which most businesses do use, or you can use a total different name in corporation or in alignment with what your business is serving. Filing your business name registration. So before receiving a domain, before purchasing a website, before you create an Instagram name, you need to check if your business's name, the name that you have chosen, you need to check if it is established or used by another company or formation. So you can do that by going on your state's taxation and finance website, and there's a little bar where you can type in the name that you've chosen, and let's go and click search, and it's going to show if that name is available or if that name is taken. Now, if it's taken, obviously you can't use it. That's owned by another person's company. And if it is shown that you are using someone else's name, obviously legal action will be taken. So please, 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 before taking any additional steps, I know it's exciting, when checking and receiving if your name is available, then you can go on to creating a domain name. Now, creating a domain name, I use a website GoDaddy. GoDaddy is about $1.99 if you want the .com. So there's different options. You can check out the website, browsers that you can use, whether it's .net, .com, all that for a great reasonable price. So to receive an EIN number, EIN stands for Employer Identification Number. And it's important to have an EIN number because it's kind of like your business's social security number in a way. A number for certain forms of business, whether you're a product-based business or a service-based business. Employer identification number helps you register a business. So without having the EIN number, so this actually comes before registering your actual business, you need to obtain an EIN number. Some businesses, EIN number is a tax requirement, but you can also check on your IRS website under Employment Identification Number and check to see what your state requirements are. So to obtain an EIN number, you just go on the IRS .com/gov and click. You can complete it online. You can receive it right away. If you choose to have it downloaded, I chose that route instead of having it mailed. You can have it downloaded and print it out yourself, and you're able to get started on a registration process that way. So go get that EIN number. It's free to obtain an EIN number. That's the one part that doesn't charge. I'm not too sure about every state, but for the most part, EIN numbers are usually free. You want to register that business. So when you register that business, you're going to go again on the Taxation and Finance website for your state. So in my case, I'll be going to New Jersey Department of Taxation and Finance, and I'm going to register my business's name. Then you can choose what you want to file your business as: an LLC, a sole proprietor, a proprietorship, limited liability. There's so many options that you can choose from. I have chosen to register my business as a LLC. So it's a separation between your personal and your business. So the pros of owning an LLC: less paperwork and filing costs because businesses have to file tax. You can also form an LLC with little as in one person. You have the flexibility of being taxed as sole proprietorship, partnership, S corporation, or C corporation. Usually LLC members are protected liability if the company runs into legal issues. Now the pros of a sole proprietorship is you have complete control and flexibility to run the business as you see fit, and you have unlimited liability. It means creditors are more likely to extend credit if needed, and you receive all business profits. Now I chose an LLC personally because of filing taxes. It's easier to write off taxes with an LLC than it is a sole proprietorship. So I've chosen the route of LLC, and also chose the LLC because creditors can't go after my personal property to satisfy a claim. So if I'm in any legal issues, if I was a sole proprietor, creditors can go after my personal property, such as my credit, to satisfy a claim. If I was being sued, God forbid, they have that opportunity to go after my personal property if my business assets aren't enough. Whereas in LLC, I am protected. So keep that in mind. I'm going to move on. So after registering your business, each state has a different cost, if a cost, for registering your business. When I registered a business in New York in the past, New York registration is free. Well, as of 2018, that's when I last checked, it was free then. Not sure if it has changed now, but in New Jersey, I have paid $125 to register my business. And I know each state alters, whether it's lower or higher. I know a state that charges $500 to register your business, which is insane. But each state has their own set price. So just because I said it's $125 in New Jersey, check on your department, your state's Department of Taxation and Finance of Business, and to actually see what your state price is to register your business. So that's the pricey part, is really registering and formatting your business on the legal aspect. But once you have that under control, once your business is registered, so then the fun part happens. You can create an Instagram page, you can create a website, you can start marketing. Some free marketing websites that I use is Canva. I use Canva for almost everything, from my YouTube thumbnails, for video pop-ups, for posters, flyers, anything that you see on my business page or my personal page. I usually, even my Instagram highlights, I create everything on Canva. Canva is a free website. It is not sponsored unless Canva wants to sponsor me. Canva is not sponsoring me right now. However, you can use Canva. It's free. There's other websites such as PicMonkey, Adobe, a lot of apps that are out there that I also can leave down below. But Canva is free, and this is budget-friendly video, so I do advise you to use Canva. Have fun with it. Make it your own. Don't try to mimic someone else's business. It's okay to be inspired by someone else's business, but have your own flavor, have your own touch to your business. After all, people buy people and they do not buy businesses. So if your business page and your personal page doesn't reflect an act of wanting to solve a problem or wanting to help and serve others, I would like to let you guys know that your personal page is a reflection of your business page, and vice versa. Your business page is a reflection of your personal page. And what you post on your personal page is usually a reflection of your business. One, because people would like I said, people would like to buy people. So you run as a small business or even large businesses, people usually want to know who is the founder behind this business. And when they go lurking, because people do that, they find your Instagram page, they want to see if you're professional, they want to see if you have customer service etiquette, they want to see if you're in this for the money, or are you in this to solve that problem or to serve those people. It shows by the way you speak to people on social media, but also it shows through your passion or your likeliness to promote, to market. So actually be mindful of what you share on your personal page, because people do a lot of research, especially for smaller businesses. And not only come off as, you want to actually practice customer service etiquette. You want to make sure that you're in it to serve people, to help solve that problem. But most importantly, you want to have an interaction with people. You don't want to come off as money hungry. We obviously want money, we need money to survive, but you don't want every interaction with a possible future client or a possible future customer to come off as you just want their money. And also, I will go on with this topic and how to communicate with customers, how to reach and find customers in a total different video. But I just want to go over the few steps that you need to start your online business. And I hope this video is helpful to you. Comment down below other tips that you may have used and tried in developing your small business. If I missed it out, feel free to comment down below those tips. And if this video was helpful to you in any way, please comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll really appreciate it. And I'll be sure to see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this video was helpful. And I love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye. Disclaimer, I am not a licensed professional at any of these things. I'm literally just sharing my journey through entrepreneurship for the past few years, tips that I have used. I don't want this to come off as I am a professional at this. I have not made any mistakes with this. I have definitely made mistakes on my entrepreneurship journey, and this is why I'm here to share my tips and examples so you can start a profitable business on a budget. So if you like to see more business related videos, if you would like me to go more in depth about being a customer service oriented entrepreneur, then leave down a comment in below where I can speak directly on these type topics. But overall, this video is just addressing tips for you to get your business or idea off the ground during this quarantine, okay?